Hello. Good morning, everyone. So this is the Pink Lotus show, and there are 13 brands that have come over here. They have an all Navratri collection. So they have chaniya cholis, dupattas, blouses. They have saris. They have piece suits. Joita hoy to ema options available here. They have jewelry as well. They have potli bags and purses. Brands are divided. एक slide में बे brands है. And when is it?
It's today and tomorrow at Reflection 1.0 and 2.0. So please don't miss out on this collection. We'll be waiting for you. Bye-bye.
હેલો ધીસ ઇઝ બ્રાન્ડ હાથસે અમારી પાસે આ વખતે અલગ અલગ કલરના ચનિયાસ છે વિથ ડિફરન્ટ દુપટ્ટાસ એમાં હેન્ડવર્ક છે એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ સિલ્ક ઇન ફેબ્રિક દેન વી હેવ કાપડાસ
Sizes are
XS to XL
okay.
પછી મારી પાસે 2 piece સેટ્સ છે જેને ચણિયા ચોલી ના પહેરવા હોય દેન બીજા પણ છે કે જેને ડેનિમ અને એકલા પ્લેન ચણિયા સાથે પણ યુ કેન પેર અને વી હેવ બેગ્સ અહીંયા બધી અલગ અલગ જે નવરાત્રીમાં સ્પેશિયલી યુઝ થઈ શકે એન્ડ એક બેગ એવી છે કે જે તમે આવી રીતે યુઝ કરી શકો.
So this brand is Sri Vaishnavi collection. They have a beautiful collection of dupattas like these. Okay, we're looking at dupattas that they have. Something in patchwork. And work કર્યું છે dupattas માં.
बादला वर्क है,
बादला work.
टिश्यू में बादला वर्क,
Okay, tissue में बादला work છે.
सब में कलर ऑप्शंस है.
And lots of color options that they have. Okay.
कॉटन में बादला वर्क.
And they also have sari options like these. ઘણી જ બધી sarees છે to choose from. This is Studio Armario. Okay, and they have chaniya cholis, black ma options available છે. They have some beautiful pieces like these. Okay, we'll take a look at a few other ones with long blouses. Okay, something in white, something in pink. Okay. They have English colors as well, blouses, mapan options available here. Bandhej might be looking for something. So this brand is called Two Sisters. Okay, and chaniya cholis no collection again. English colors ma options available here like these. If you're looking for something in pastels, browns ma options here. Multicolor joito hoy to ema pan options here. Okay, something in Rani pink. Something in green, okay, and something in purple. This brand is Anna Ethnics, and they have some beautiful chaniya cholis like what she's wearing. Options like these. Okay.
halter neck,
Halter neck માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય with patchwork તો એમાં options છે. Something in black. Okay. White માં options available છે like these. They have lots of blouses as well to choose from, like these. Okay.
dupattas also.
They have dupattas as well. So this brand is called Sangeet, and they have some beautiful collection of bags.
Hello, my name is Gitika and the brand name is Sangeet. We have multiple types of western bags, potli bags, something in chandi bags, small, some Navratri collection in multiple colors, something you want to go for multicolor.
They have some marble bags.
Yeah,
resin
we
and
have marble
bags.
raisin bags. This is a new collection. This is mother of pearls. So we
Okay.
have the hot green color, which is the very latest new trending.
And they have
Then
their
we have-
lotus collection
Yeah, we
as
have
well.
lotus potlis. You can see multiple colors.
This is Penny's Fashion Hub, and they have chaniya cholis. Okay. Alright, so they have lots of options when it comes to chaniya cholis. Of course, customizations are available. Okay, handwork satin options पण available છે. Something in yellow and green. Okay. White small options જોઈતા હોય with a halter neck blouse. તો એમાં પણ options available છે. And they have lots of colors to choose from. They have dupattas as well. This brand is called Sutraved. They have again chaniya cholis with blouse piece. Okay, so kalamkari options છે એમની પાસે dupattas. with and without figure બંનેમાં options will be available. Okay, color options are available. અને ફ્લેર કેટલા મીટર્સનો છે?
9 to 10 meters ની આસપાસ રહેશે.
Okay. All right. And they have some cord sets similar to what she's wearing as well, like these. And dupattas. So this is brand Honey I Made This, and they have a beautiful collection of chaniya cholis. They have blouses like these. Okay. Sleeves ma ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. Handwork સાથે options છે. કચ્છીમાં છે. Okay.
आप चेंज मत करें.
Okay, so they have lots of options when it comes to blouses. They have dupattas as well. થોડા vintage dupattas જોઈતા હોય, something with handwork, તેમાં options છે. ક્રશમાં ચણિયા ચોલીસ છે. Okay. Something with badla work. Customizable. Okay.
Something in brush
Ombre.
with ombre dupatta, again customizable in any colors,
Okay.
in sets.
So this brand is called Khwab by Khushi.
Hi, we got a new collection with mirror work.
Mirror work.
We can customize colors in this. It's a complete 3-piece set. Then apart from that, on silk also we have.
Something in blue and white.
Then we have some different colors.
Orange and pink more options joita hoy.
Then we got on Kutch
They have
work
some
as well.
beautiful vintage dupattas like these. Okay. Dupattas માં options છે. Blouses માં છે. Okay.
And then we have in Kutch work also.
Oh, this is brand PB Jewels. Hello.
Hi, so today our Raspberry collection is here. So this is silver lookalike, dual tone and fusion pieces. Some favorite jhumkas. Then some fusion studs and some simple studs.
Kadas માં
Kadas
options.
ma options છે ને 2x2 size ma options છે.
And they have lots of earrings like these to choose from. Afghani pieces માં પણ options available છે.
These are the mirror. This is the longer ones. Some fusion pieces, some slick chokers, some cloth jewelry.
Okay. This is Traditions by Hetal Shah Patel.
Hi,
Okay.
Ketal.
Hmm.
So this is new collection, ombre.
Ombre.
Cotton brush. We have 10 colors.
Okay.
This is something for youngsters.
Something in black and white, something in corset style.
Yeah, so
Okay.
customize this in any color.
Customization.
This is something traditional. Now
Okay.
this comes for handwork.
Handwork.
All મસલીના દુપટ્ટા છે અને
Okay.
બધામાં ખાટકામ છે આખું અને પ્યોર લંબી 16 meter plus flare.
Hi, this is Vikrish brand. We have some buns
Okay.
and earring with hairbun brooch and some Kashmiri earrings and some German silver jewelry and beaded jewelry.
Silver jewelry છે, beaded jewelry માં options છે. Dual tone jewelry જોઈતી હોય તો they have options in
Like
those.
ear cups.
They have ear cuffs like these, and if you're looking for nathnis, then these can be used as nathnis and as ear cuffs.